Welcome to the channel, and thank you for joining today. In this video, we will explore how to turn off video autoplay in the NBA app on your phone. This simple adjustment can help you save data, avoid distractions, and make the app experience smoother and more enjoyable. First, open the NBA app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, scroll down until you see the option labeled App Settings and tap on it. After that, select the Autoplay Settings option from the list of available preferences. Finally, choose the setting labeled Never to ensure that videos do not play automatically whenever you browse the app. By following these simple steps, you can stop unwanted videos from playing in the background and take more control over your NBA app experience. That's all for today. We have learned how to disable video autoplay in the NBA app, giving you a cleaner, faster, and more controlled browsing experience on your phone.